Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty Passion, and today's video I'm showing you my first time ever doing my makeup. This is my clean face. It's already been washed and exfoliated. Now it's time to moisturize. I moisturize with my Aveeno. I love this moisturizer. So I'm just dotting it. I'm also going to be looking in this mirror right here so I can get a better view. So I'm adding on my moisturizer, and then I'm going to just blend it in, or, just apply it. This is my brow pencil by Joa. So I'm going to be doing my brows first. This is my first time ever doing brows. I didn't like how it looked at first. I was like, what is this? And then I had to add the concealer. Again, this is my first time ever doing my face. So I don't know what the heck I'm doing here, but that looks crazy. So I wanted y'all to see that. So I'm adding my Makeup Revolution concealer. I do it on the top and the bottom on both my eyebrows. I'm using my little Dollar Tree precision brush, and I'm focused, honey. I'm focused. Yes, get these eyebrows right. All right, I done did both of them. They actually look great. My outline look great. All right, now it's time to blend the concealer. Blend. I was focused. These eyebrows got to be right, honey. All right, so I'm done with my second eyebrow. All right, I'm blending. Oh, I did that. What? I did that. Who better? Never mind. All right, this is the foundation. Foundation brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. My Dior foundation. This is the only foundation that I love. And this is the foundation brush again. It's a Jackie AINA foundation inspired foundation brush that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is the softest brush I ever used. Look how it is working this foundation in my face, y'all. Y'all see that? It's like it's disappearing. It's making it look so even. Even strokes, even round strokes. You see that? Wow, I can't believe that. This brush is a wonder. It's soft. It does the job. That foundation literally disappeared on my skin. Did y'all see that? Wow. This foundation brush is so great. It gets your skin even, full coverage. Even coverage on your whole face. I love this brush. I'm glad I grabbed more than one. This is this side that I'm doing. Make sure you rub it in good. Rub. Circle. Make sure you cover all the spots that you need your foundation to be on. Again, this brush is like massaging my face. I swear this brush is so great. Look at that. Look at that. I just can't believe how great this brush is. Wow. I'm circling. I'm trying to cover my whole face. Again, this is my first time using this brush with the foundation that I always wear. I usually apply my foundation with my fingers, honey. But this time, I used the Jackie AINA inspired Dollar Tree brush to apply the foundation, my Dior foundation. And I'm almost done covering my face with the foundation. I missed a couple of spots, so I'm going to touch up a couple of spots that I missed. Yep, right there along that hairline. I missed that. And I'm just touching up some spaces. Alrighty. I'm just pretty much looking at, I missed a couple more spaces. This brush is so great. I just cannot believe this came from the Dollar Tree. I'm still in awe. All right, I'm almost done perfecting this foundation, honey. All right, so now that's me looking at my eyebrows, making sure I covered every part of my face with the Dior foundation, making sure I didn't miss anything. It's a medium coverage foundation. All right, now it's time to, I think it's conceal. Conceal your face. All right. I never did this before, so this was really challenging for me. I've seen it done in a lot of YouTube videos, and y'all make it look so easy. But I didn't know what the heck. Do I go under? Then what? Do I go down? Man, I was so lost. So I just did what I thought I should do. I mean, I think I put on too much, but hey, it is what it is. That's what I did. All right, now it's time with my Dollar Tree Beauty Blender. I'm trying to blend in my concealer. I'm blending it all in. I think I came down too far on that cheek, but I'm going to fix it at the end. So now I'm just blending in my concealer. Now this is my translucent Banana Deep Makeup Revolution translucent powder. I didn't know what the heck to do with this. This is my first time doing this also. You all make it look so easy. I didn't know whether I was putting on too much, too less, whatever. All right, I felt like I was a little too light, so I dusted off with this LA Girl translucent powder that's a little dark. Oh, too much powder. All right, so I'm dusting it off with the LA Girl powder, and I'm dusting. Now, this is the part I was like, I think I done screwed up. I looked at light to me like a ghost. But I kept going. Contour. I contour with my Morphe palette. No, I think, yeah, my Morphe palette I contour with. No, it was some other contour. I'll show it to you at the end. All right, now I am putting on some more concealer on my eyelids for eyeshadow. I've did both eyelids with the concealer. And it ain't looking too bad. It's starting to come along. Okay, I got my Morphe palette out. It's time to do these eyelids, honey. Yes. This is color number 1 that I use. It's a pretty rose color. I'll put the name of it in the description box below. But it's in my Morphe palette. And I added my first eyeshadow. I've never did eyeshadow. I mean, I've always did it with my fingers. But I got a brush this time, and I'm blending it on my eyelids. And I was like, okay, that look kind of cute. All right, so now I'm doing my second eye. I'm almost done with my second eye, and I'm blending. That's the key to blend. My second color is a pretty rose color, and I do it in my eye drops or eye tear duct. I think that's what you all call it. I put it there. It was a pretty rose color. All right, and I'm done, honey, with that part. I did that. What? All right, my Sophie palette. This is my highlighter palette. I'm using that color right there. And I don't know what I'm doing. I just remember what y'all do in y'all little videos, honey. I remember y'all do that, but y'all know y'all be going highlight crazy. Now it's time for the lips. I use my St. Joe Bride brow pencil to outline my lips. It's a chocolate brown color. So I'm outlining my lips with that. I liked it had a slant tip to it, so it was easy for me to contour my lips out. I'm adding a little shimmer lip gloss that I got from NYC. It was okay, but I really couldn't see it. So I added some eye mascara on, my lash mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It has a brush wand on it, so it separates the lashes. So it is so wonderful. This is the only eyeshadow I use. I didn't like my lips, so I added some NYX matte color to my lips so you can see it a little bit more. And it came out really pretty once I added this matte color from NYC. I added a little lip gloss, my Revlon lip gloss over it. Honey, get y'all this brush. This brush is amazing. If y'all see these at the Dollar Tree, buy all of them. I love this brush. It is so soft and it got the job done, honey. Yes.